Hey y'all, this is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging. And this one is a 30 by 40. It is a partial special drill canvas. And hopefully y'all are following my little videos that I have been putting out. And if not, if you're new, if you're a regular, you already know what I'm doing. But if you're new, I have just been going through Amazon because we all know how the canvases are with the little budget-friendly sites that you can go on and get, the little budget-friendly canvases. Problem is, it takes forever to get them. With Amazon, you can get them within a couple days to a week, depending on whether you've got Prime or not. So, I was just curious to see if they had canvases that were under $5, and they do. So, I have just been doing a little series of videos of canvases from Amazon that are $5 or less, or $10 or less. So, this is another one that I got through Amazon. And the links will all be in the description boxes. And I'm also putting the prices in the description boxes and the, I guess you could say the little store that you get it through on Amazon. The brand, whatever. So I put all the information in the description box. So this one is, I call it the partial flower, because most of these don't even have a name. But it, like I said, it is a special drill, and I love doing these every once in a while. It just kind of breaks up the monotony of a large canvas. So, this is a very stiff canvas, and it is poured glue, so I'm going to roll it around on itself. Now, this one I only gave, let me see, I have notes over here, $3.90 for this one. It's not extremely colorful, but I thought it was very pretty. And again, it's special drills, and I love doing them. So, this comes with your average little kit. It has the green boat, the little pink pen with the single placer, one little square of wax, and looks like maybe 4 or 5 little baggies. So just your average little toolkit. And this is all you need to do this canvas. You don't need anything fine and fancy. This is all you need to complete these canvases. So, let's look at this. Now, this is, like I said, a 30 by 40. It has the serial number of the canvas on the bags. Yeah. So if you put these in a different location as your canvas, you'll be able to find it. It is showing, what is that, 17 different gems. And it looks like they actually have code numbers on it, which is unusual. I mean, you do find canvases that have special drills that have the code numbers, but it's kind of unusual. So, it looks like it has it on the canvas, but not on the bags itself. So, we're going to go through these and look. Now, in the camera, to me, this kind of looks blue, but it's a green. And then you got some ABs. And then this one is blue. And that's like an aqua. These are like a, I don't know if you'd call that clear or like a, I don't know what that would be. This one is clear. And you got dark green. You got a light green. You've got like an orangey yellow. light blue, and then you've got some yellow pearl looking ones, and you've got these, those, and these are just getting bigger, and then you got some more pearl, and you got gold. These are really pretty. Really pretty. Those are very sparkly. So these are very pretty. They look pretty good. I don't see any broken ones. And they don't look staticky. So that looks pretty good. Alright. I'm making a mess over here. Alright, so with this being a partial, that means that there's only certain spots that you drill. This is all very sticky, but this isn't, because this does not get drilled. So, let me bring it down a little bit. And as you can see, there's the schematic. And I hope y'all can see this. Okay. And you can see that it has, well, it's not wanting to focus really good. But you can see where it has the numbers. Okay. The drill filled. I mean, it looks very clear. I'm trying to adjust this so you don't have a glare from my window. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think it's going to be really pretty once it's done. So, what do y'all think? Have y'all done this one? Have y'all seen this one on Amazon? Well, this is what it looks like. I think it's going to be pretty with the butterfly and the flowers. I think it's going to be cute. So, alright y'all. That's another one for the books. And I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. And until my next one, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.